Hello dear students, welcome to EduHunt video lecture series, and we are dealing with the animal kingdom. In that, first phylum Protozoa is already over, and Porifera, general features of Porifera also discussed. And we have done worksheet 1, and today let's answer few more questions that are there in worksheet 2. Let's begin. The common bath sponge belongs to the genus. Bath sponge belongs to, it is Euspongia, and middle layer of body wall in sponges is called, it is called mesoglia. Middle layer means the space or the area that is present between ectoderm and endoderm is known as, that is filled by a jelly-like substance, a cellular substance called the mesoglia. Eggs and sperms in sponges are, mostly the sponges are hermaphrodite, that means both they are bisexual in nature, both male and female sex organs are present on the same individual. So, they are stored in gemmules? No. Produced by the same individual? Yes, this could be the answer. Produced by male and female sponges? No, these are bisexual. Not produced as they lack sexual reproductive abilities. No, they have a sexual reproduction and have sex organs, and they produce both germ cells. Which cells are found only in sponges? In sponges, choanocytes, amoeboid cells we can see anywhere. Germ cells even find in many phyla, and even nephrocytes, these are the cells found in many animals. The nephrocytes are nothing but the cells of the excretory system. So, choanocytes, these are especially designed for filter feeding adaptation of sponges. So, the answer is choanocytes. Mark the correct statement. The body of sponges consists of epithelial tissue only. You can clearly observe that epithelial tissue system is completely absent. So, this is not possible. All the 4 types of tissues like epithelial tissues, connective tissues, all the kinds of tissues are present అని ఇచ్చారు ఇక్కడ sponges లో. సో no tissue కాబట్టి we can strike out this option also. Only epithelial connective tissues. No. సో tissues ఏ లేవు కాబట్టి ఈ మూడింటిని tissue అని కనిపించింది కాబట్టి we can strike out these options. Structurally organized tissues are absent. So, this is the correct option where there are no tissue system in the Porifera phylum. The outer dermal layer of sponges is composed of, outer dermal layer is composed of pinacocytes. Outer dermal layer is composed of pinacocytes. And which one of the sponges corresponds to the mouth of the animal? Mouth is ostia. Osculum is the anus. So, mouth is ostia. There are several pores present on the porifera. That's why the name came from having number of pores in the body. Porous body it is. Which one of the following is a freshwater sponge? Cycon, Spongilla, Euplactella, Euspongia. So, Spongilla is a freshwater sponge. Except this, all the 3 sponges are Marine sponges. Most of the sponges are marine only. Very few sponges are this kind of freshwater sponges. In sponges, the food is stored in. In sponges, these are stored in thisocytes. Food storage cells are thisocytes. In sponges, the spicules are formed by scleroblasts. Scleroblasts are, they secrete spicules which have calcium carbonate and silica in them. Sclero means hard. These are hard. They produce hard cells. The food in sponges is ingested by, food is ingested by choanocytes. And then flagellated cells of sponge are choanocytes. Because of the beating of these flagella, they create water current, and by creating water current, they absorb the food, ingest the food. A central cavity column in all types of canal system of sponges is called paragastric cavity. The sponges have no respiratory organs because they are sedentary, do not need respiratory organs, respire anaerobically, have highly porous body. So the porous body facilitates respiration. Through the surface of the body, there are many pores which facilitate the exchange of gases from the surrounding water. Diffusion occurs from the body surface. Through diffusion, exchange of gases, for example, oxygen is taken in, and dissolved oxygen that is present in the water will be taken in, and the CO2 liberated out during breathing, that is respiration. Power of regeneration in sponges is due to archaeocytes, also called as, they have totipotency. Totipotent in nature. Cells are totipotent in nature. Totipotency means the ability of cell to develop into a whole sponge. So the regeneration power is more for sponges, because if we cut any part from the sponge, it can grow into a separate individual. It will give rise to a whole individual. That is known as totipotency. This totipotency, based on this principle, the power of regeneration is there in the sponges. Larva of sponge is known as, it is Amphiblastula. If a carmine particle is put on the osculum of a living sponge, it will be thrown away, because osculum is anus. If we keep the same thing near the ostia, it will be ingested. We are keeping it near the osculum. So osculum is anus. Which of the following cells maintain the current of water in the sponges? Choanocytes, because of beating of the flagella. Nervous system in sponge is absent. The most primitive multicellular animals are sponges. In sponges, spongocoel is lined by choanocytes, pinacocytes, archaeocytes and amoebocytes. It is lined by number of amoebocytes. There are several types of amoebocytes. Amoebocytes are differentiated into different pinacocytes, choanocytes, archaeocytes, like that. In sponges, canal system is helpful in food generating, respiratory exchange, removal of waste and all the above. Most important character of sponges: coelenteron, choanocytes, holophytic nutrition, only sexual reproduction. So third is the correct answer, choanocytes. Having choanocytes is a special feature of sponges and exclusively present in sponges. Which of the following cells in sponges catch food? Choanocytes catch the food. And canal system is characteristic of coelentrates, porifera, mollusca, echinodermata. It is porifera. Canal system is present in porifera. So we have finished answering worksheet 2. It is very simple than before one, the previous one. If you understand and if you know well about the porifera general characters, the worksheet 2 answering is very easy. Okay, in the next session, we'll start the next worksheet.